am at Cafe Dosti near Saket, a name which has been trending on social media after its co-owner Achal Bhatia posted about the cafe urging people to come and support her enterprise. Ever since the pandemic hit, small business owners have been facing hardship and have been going through a slump. Let's talk to Achal Bhatia and find out whether her post that went viral on social media has helped her overcome the situation.
Champa Gali, a favourite hangout spot for a lot of youngsters, wears a dull look. With barely any takers for the restaurants there, only the cafe staff holding menu cards in their hands, waiting for the customers to flock in, can be seen. Among many cafes located in the complex of Champa Gali, Cafe Dosti is right at the entrance. The effort of its staff standing outside the cafe, showing menu cards to whatever little crowd that has come by on Friday afternoon, goes in vain. Cafe Dosti opened in 2020 and received a good response when the COVID cases were declining in the months of November and December. However, from March, the footfall fell to 50%.
We started on 27th of September, so we are yet to turn one. After that, it did not pick up much. People were demanding for an outdoor space. It was a new venture. So for about a month, we did run this place, and the response was not good. We again renovated the place. We again invested a lot of money. And as you can now see that we have an outdoor space. It is not just about COVID. Small businesses have been affected. The employment has been affected. It's not just the owner who gets affected, it's the employees also that gets affected.
Bhatia took to Twitter to write about her cafe on 24 August, urging people to support her enterprise, an appeal that has since been shared widely and has caught the attention of many. The tweet was shared by prominent personalities promoting and promising to visit the cafe sometime, receiving over 5,000 retweets and 14,000 likes till Friday evening. Despite Bhatia's heartfelt appeal and support she received on social media, the response to the cafe remains lukewarm.
Gradually we have seen that even the weekend sales have gone down. That is when we felt that there is really something wrong. The past month has been really, really bad. So it's not just like initially we used to see a lot of sales coming over the holidays, like during Rakhis. It didn't happen like that. Even Saturday, Sundays, and like today's Friday, you can actually go ahead and see the entire market is absolutely empty. Response like you have seen on Twitter has been overwhelming. Undoubtedly, it has been overwhelming. There is the Twitter family has given a lot of love, and when you go ahead and share a post, you expect there should be a lot of why you do it. You do it because you want a lot of retweets, reshares, likes, comments, and you want it to get viral. You want people to see that what's happening, and that did happen. In reality, I would not say that I've seen a lot of walk-in clients coming in. Yes, there has been a little increase. I would say that if it was 50, I would say yes, it's about 60, 65. Yes, people have come in seeing my Twitter post. People, they have talked to me. Even for that matter, Arun Bothra sir have personally visited us. So that has been there. I can see that people are doing it, and I'm sure over the weekend we'll see more crowd coming in. I do have that hope, and I do expect that.
Last year, YouTuber Gaurav Vasan posted a video of a small food stall named Baba Ka Dhaba, which went viral, resulting in a massive response for the food joint. But for Bhatia and her co-workers, the power of social media has not yet worked its magic, as Cafe Dosti remains deserted.
To the business owners, I would only say to hold it on. I know it is very easy to say that. It is very easy to say, okay, hold it on. But somebody has taught me that, you should not get emotional about your business. But at the end of the day, yes, when you create something, you end up getting emotional for your business. It is really time to support the industry. It is, I feel that this restaurant industry specifically, or the food industry, This is the industry that helps you create memories. I'm not saying that other industries not. Please don't take me wrong on that. I'm not saying on that. I'm sure the entire hospitality is affected. But what I'm saying is, and also specifically, I'm saying that it's not Cafe Dosti. It is the industry, and especially the small cafes and the restaurants that have been affected very, very badly. They need your help.
Even though Achal Bhatia's post did go viral on social media, the footfall on Friday remains very low. However, the staff here is expecting decent footfall in the coming weekend and hoping that the cafe business picks up. For The Print, this is Urjita Bharadwaj.